and welcome back to another episode of the Orange Couch Crush Davis Expo Edition, the show where we sit down with fellow Davis colleagues and other industry leaders and ask them a few questions, to try to get to know them a little better. Today, we're super excited to have Jason Turner, Vice President and co-founder of Powershades. Welcome to the couch, Jason.
Glad to be here. Thanks for having me.
Of course. On a scale of 1 to 10, how comfortable is the orange couch?
Honestly, it's not bad. It's a little more comfortable than I expected. We'll figure out how far back I'm supposed to be and all that, but it's good.
What is something important to you that most people wouldn't expect?
To me? Oh,
yes,
gosh.
You personally.
I am becoming a new dog lover. Yeah.
Are you?
I am. My wife and daughters have really been pushing and showing me new dog love. And so now we have dogs. We have a giant Bernese Mountain Dog and a couple wiener dogs.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, we've got a lot of dog love in our house.
I do too, so I understand. Welcome to the dog-loving family.
Thank you. It's been a lot of fun.
I'm sure. They are super entertaining.
They are. It's really funny how much personality they have, and
oh, I know.
They're like little kids.
They are. We have two. Yeah. So I understand. What's the worst piece of advice you've ever been given?
Oh, shoot. I don't even know where to start with that. Pretty much any advice either of my brothers have ever given me, I would say.
Brothers will do that.
Yeah, and I don't even want to say what the advice has been.
I understand. What's one thing that every human should get to experience in their life?
Man, Mexico. My wife and I have found this island off of Cancun called Isla Mujeres, I think is how you say it. And we went there, we took the kids this year, and we had the absolute best time. Everybody should see that place. It's beautiful.
Oh, well, good to know. I'll put it on my list. What are you most looking forward to at the Davis Expo?
Seeing all of the dealers, getting to reconnect and see everybody out here. It's been a little while since I've been in the territory here. And I always love getting out here and meeting everybody and seeing everybody, and just reconnecting, making new friends, and reconnecting with all the old friends.
What new or current Powershade product are you most excited about right now?
Oh man, we've got all sorts of stuff coming out. We've got a new POE motor coming out. We keep being asked for stronger and stronger POE motors, so that bigger shades can be done, and hopefully, potentially, someday outdoor shades with POE motors. There's just all the time new motors coming out, new product lines that we're launching, awnings, lighting, just really a bunch of new stuff that we're really trying to roll out that everybody has been after and been asking. And of course, a lot of the stuff going on right now is posing some challenges in getting all the product in, but really looking forward to all the new launches.
Nice. It's exciting. Is intelligence or wisdom more useful?
Oh, wow. I'm going to say intelligence. That's a big question. Wisdom, we look back on all the things we thought were good decisions and figure out whether they were or not. So I'm going to say intelligence to navigate the waters, and then we'll use wisdom to look back.
Perfect. I couldn't agree more. Yeah. Well, Jason, thank you so much for joining us on the Orange Couch. We hope you enjoyed the expo.
Oh, I hope to. Thanks for having me.
Oh, no problem.
All right.
Maybe you'll come back.
Yeah, enjoy the show.
Thank you.
All right.